gang, Joshi gang, Sachi gang, Prada gang, lot of gangs. I don't really fuck with no brand name.
When I swung off work, I had a plan. And it wasn't a little plan. I had a big plan. I was gonna come down to Brizzy and I was gonna vlog my first day here. But instead of vlogging my first day, I ended up spending the whole day sleeping, catching up from being at work for 3 weeks. Now fast forward to day 2. And it started off like this. What is going on? What's going on, everyone? Back in Brizzy after 3 weeks left of work. I got some packages waiting for me for when I got back. Some of them have already been unwrapped, some of them still in the boxes. But we'll go through them now, see what we got. So, really want to get back into my skating this trip off. So, I got myself a new Baker deck, and I'm gonna put the wheels on these today and hopefully take it for a roll. But yeah, super sick. Just wanted to get the original one. Ended up getting it with the what are they called? The mob grip tape. I'm pretty sure it's a primitive one. So that should be pretty sick. I was hoping to come back and do like a big unboxing of heaps of stuff, but the new pairs of Vans I got, they came in bags. But my missus got some as too, so she opened them up just to see. She was trying to find hers, but you know, that's all good. And then the deck came from a local skate shop. I ordered it online and they called me and said, oh, you live in Chermside, we're actually dispatching the board from Chermside, did you just want to pick it up? So that's what we ended up doing, so hence why we got that deck. Next we got a couple of authentics. I got these from, I think, Hype DC. They had a sale on for, I think, 50 bucks each. So I just got like a maroon pair of Vans. So these are really sick. I've had these before, but you know, when your friends decide to wear your shoes and then decide they don't have to actually give them back to you. Yeah, one of those situations. So I got these ones. And then I also got them in like a green colorway. I'm actually really loving my Vans at the moment now that we're in summer. They're $50 a pair for these Vans, so could not go wrong on that one. I actually got another pair of Vans that I got on sale for 60. Hang on, I'll just go get a knife. So I've had my eye on this colorway for a little while now, and yes, I think I got these from Soulmate online. They had them on sale for 60 bucks, so yeah, just got, you can see it's kind of like a, almost look like a white, but they're more of an off-white with the blue bottom. So I got these ones for 60, and then I got these colorways for 50. So I'm definitely all Vansed up for the summer. So got those. And then, here's one thing that's actually starting to, it's not like starting to get to me, but I just don't see why shoe places do it. Like, you order a pair of shoes and they just send them to you in a bag. Like, especially Hype DC and Platypus, they also send their stuff in bags. Like, it's not so bad when it's just Vans, like whatever, but when you're buying something else, like, come on, like, double box them, like, obviously if you own a shoe store and a big shoe chain, you know people hang on to their boxes, so we're gonna order them online. Like, yeah, just put them in double box. But hopefully this box isn't too damaged. I got this one from, I think, oh, what was it called? But it is a Nike SB box. And I got, how sick are these? Oh, I actually got the Blazers and the lows right before we actually ended up going to Bali, and I didn't actually see anywhere that sold the highs. Now I'm not really into the highs at the moment, but like when I first started collecting sneakers and was really on my SB game, like these, like I really wanted, but you could not find either of these anywhere, just the black and white Blazers. So even though I'm not really into them at the moment, they're just that classic shoe to me and just what I wanted when I first started getting in the game. So that's why I ended up picking these up. I haven't actually seen the Blazer mids sold anywhere, like unlike I have seen the Blazer lows. Like these were all hype and all that, but I actually had to get these from a skate shop. So I'm super stoked on having these. I, probably won't crack them straight out the box just yet. I'll probably wait a minute, but yeah, super happy I got these ones. Alright, so on my setup, obviously I'm using a Baker deck. The trucks I use are Thunder trucks. I've had these for a long time, and they've always held out. So I got Thunder trucks, Modus bearings, and I got Tommy Finn barber wheels. I've had this set up for quite a while now, so I'll be looking at, I should upgrade it sometime soon. But for now I just thought I'd re-up my deck and then take it for a roll to see how it goes. Okay, board's all set up. Now let's go take it for a roll. So this is literally my first time back on the board in years at a skate park. So I have a little bit of a skate around, see if I can pick it back up again and see how we go.
Look, super up in the sky. Yeah, Ron DC mode versus make a wish for a purpose. Purpose to practice the rap until I emerge perfect. Flawless victory psychic. Kick like bicycle circus. Flow with Kanga, do my thinking. Dang it, like it till it's purple. On the whole of my circus. City slipping like Jaggers. Running from Mr. Murder. Checkers about his burgers. Diction vexes with less spit. Ammonia type bullet tips. Put in a clear your mind. Glitch stage up for when I'm not. Nah, did you see me? I'm like a genie.
So I had a solid day today, went for a skate. After that I ended up coming home, having food, and then ended up just going to the gym for the afternoon. Came back and then hung out with Ash until she had to go to work tonight. But since we hung out, house got a bit dirty. So I'm gonna clean it up so everything's spotless for in the morning. Now for the fun part.
Super rap. How you know when you like that? Super rap. How the hell it right there? Super rap. Notice that my niggas go down. Say it with me. Super rap. Can it get his mic back? Super rap. I don't even wanna fight back. Super rap. This is how my niggas go down. Say it with me. Say it with me. Say it with me. So here I am. I I never did a remix. To you, this is a prefix. Cause see, I never leaked it. Now you leeching funky. Your review just keep it. Cause I will never peep it. Like time I bought my beeping. Geeking like a brother chiefin'. Season sauce and I be sheepin'. Morning, noon to the evening. Even maybe while you dreaming. I'll be showing lights increasing. Bustin' function for no reason.
Now all I got left to do is unpack my bag. So tomorrow we're going to go see a few friends down at the Social Connect, go see the homies down there, see what they got up to. Thanks for watching today's vlog, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
Brown, say it louder than it down. Kick me now that I trip around. Ninjas copy paste my style, but it can't do it like me though. Beef away goes like Cheeto. I say you get Cheeto, going in like Curry free throw. Super rap, how you know it like that? Super rap, how the hell?